Wow, this is the heaviest I've seen so far, guys. This is one of this dust that comes from the Sahara, man. Check it out. Have you seen anything heavy like this? That is, we supposedly be sunny right now, but my God, it's so heavy, the Sirocco dust. Do here is we're gonna have to rinse this thick dust off first before we start rubbing it with the brush, because you don't wanna rub this thing into your shiny paint job, because it's gonna act like a sandpaper, you know. So we'll rinse most of it off, and then whatever doesn't get rinsed off by the pressure of the water, will rub it with the brush. Sun is out. It's forecasted to be sunny sometime during midday onwards. And one thing I'm curious to know is the cruise ship right there. There's a big cruise ship. I wonder how they deal with cleaning this mud, because they got more surface to actually catch all this mud. Probably have about 10 times or maybe more surface to catch all this Saharan desert mud. Wow, it doesn't come up easily as well, man. You can rinse the deck properly and then squeeze it para di umlagom. Yeah, rinse it, lots of water, and then we'll squeegee the deck, because we just scrubbed the deck the other day. We got Motor Yacht Kingdom right there. They were the dock early last night. Ugly looking boat, man. To be honest with you. What you think? This is it, Pansit. Everyone's busy now. I don't know what it's like to be working on the sailboats, because those masts are probably full of dust as well, full of brown muck. At some stage they will probably climb up there and clean it. I don't want to be the one that do that, man. We're lucky we're on a motor yacht. Finally done, man. Took us 2 days. 3 of us, 2 days to fully wash the boat, full detail wash. If you don't know what is full detail wash on our term, is that's when we chamois and squeegee everything, every nooks and crannies. And then man, it's hot today. But I'm so glad it's done. That is one of the dearest I've seen. I've been on this part of the world here in Palma de Mallorca for 9 years, and to be honest with you, I thought the last one we've seen is the heaviest one, but this one is the heaviest I've seen. Never seen it like this in 9 years. Oh my God. So I think something to do with climate change. Alright guys, as always, thank you for watching, and good timing. It's Friday. It's almost 5 o'clock. 20 minutes to 5. and drop this video a like for the algorithm, and I'll see you again on my next video. Time to have a cold drinks. Bye for now.